Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to add a resume to LinkedIn. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn and open the LinkedIn app. And after that, go and click on your profile picture on the top left of the screen. After that, go to Settings. In Settings, go to Data Privacy. Scroll down until you find an option called Resumes and Job Applications Data. Click on it and wait a little bit. After that, as you can see, for example, here I uploaded like some resumes of myself. And to upload, you have just to click on Upload Resume, and you should have it on PDF, DocX or Doc. And that's it. After that, you can choose if you want to share your resume data with hires, and if you want to save resumes and applications data. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.